Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a baked cheesecake. So let's begin. So to begin with, I have crushed 150 grams of Digestive biscuits, or you can use any other biscuits. So I've just put them in a bag and I've crushed them. And I've melted 5 tablespoons of butter, so I'm just going to now just mix the butter in the biscuits. So now that's just mixed in. Now I'm going to be using one of these tins, so this actually opens up at the bottom. So I'm going to now pour in the biscuit mix. And I'm going to now push down biscuit base. Keep pressing until it's flat. Okay, now we're going to pop this on the side and make our cheesecake mix. So I'm going to add 600 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of caster sugar. I'm going to whisk this through. Okay, I'm now going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So I'm now going to add 4 eggs, but one by one. And the last one. So I'm going to add lemon juice from half a lemon. And I'm going to add lemon zest from half a lemon. going to now pour in the mixture in my tin. So with some tin foil, I'm just going to cover the bottom part of the tin. Like this. I'm going to now pick this up and pop this on a baking tray. And I'm going to now add some hot water in here. Just going to go halfway. I'm going to now pop this in the oven on a gas mark for approximately 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. This looks ready. We're going to now take this out of the oven. We're going to now allow this to cool down for about half an hour. So my baked cheesecake is now ready. As you can see, I've taken out the tin. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and thanks guys for watching.